Save both blocks and layouts so that you can use them again later. To save a block, go to the block options in the top right-hand corner of any block and click on the Save function within the Options toolbar. To save an entire layout, go to the toolbar in the bottom, click on the options and select Save Layout. To access and use the saved blocks and layouts, simply go to the Block Manager when adding a new block, and from the Save tabs, all your saved blocks will appear here. Select the one you've saved, and you will have a duplicate copy. Similar for layouts. Let's clear out this layout. Go to the options in the bottom right-hand corner and select Clear Layout. Start building your page. Go to Saved, and on the right, select Layouts. A nice thumbnail is generated from the layout you had saved. Click, and it is imported onto your page exactly the way you had saved it previously.